Welcome to the epic world of Red Dead Redemption 2, a masterpiece brought to life by Rockstar Games. Step into the boots of Arthur Morgan, a rugged outlaw and key member of the Linde gang, as you navigate the harsh and beautiful landscape of America in 1899. In this sprawling, open-world adventure, every decision you make shapes your destiny and that of those around you. The game offers an unparalleled level of detail with stunning graphics that bring the Wild West to life. From the bustling towns to the serene wilderness, every environment is meticulously crafted, making you feel like you're part of this living, breathing world. Engage in gripping gunfights, intense heists, and thrilling chases on horseback. The dynamic weather system and realistic day-night cycle add layers of immersion, affecting not just the world around you, but also the behavior of characters and animals. Red Dead Redemption 2 isn't just about action. It's also about exploration and interaction. Hunt wild animals, fish in pristine lakes, and search for hidden treasures scattered across the vast landscape. Build relationships with a diverse cast of characters, each with their own stories and personalities, influencing the narrative as you progress. The game's rich story, filled with betrayal, loyalty, and survival, unfolds in a world where your choices matter. Will you uphold your honor, or will you embrace the outlaw life? Every action you take, from the way you treat your horse to the way you interact with strangers, has consequences. As you delve deeper into the story, you'll uncover the complex pasts of the gang members and the ties that bind them. The emotional depth of the characters and the intricate plot twists ensure that Red Dead Redemption 2 isn't just a game. It's an unforgettable journey. Prepare yourself for an adventure like no other. Red Dead Redemption 2 offers a gaming experience that is as expansive and captivating as the frontier itself. So saddle up, outlaws, the Wild West awaits.